Are you tired of dealing with allergies? Well, we have some surprising natural remedies that you've probably never heard of. Remedy number 1, Butterbur. This herb has been used for centuries to treat allergies. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate symptoms like sneezing and itching. But remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new remedy. Moving on to remedy number 2, Quercetin. This powerful antioxidant can naturally block the release of histamine, the culprit behind those pesky allergy symptoms. You can find quercetin in foods like onions, apples, and berries. So why not give it a try? Remedy number 3, stinging nettle. Wait, what? Yes, you heard right. Despite its prickly reputation, this plant can actually bring relief. It's known for its ability to reduce inflammation and allergy symptoms. Just be sure to use it in a tea or supplement form. Now, let's talk about remedy number 4, acupuncture. Yes, needles can help with allergies. This ancient Chinese practice stimulates specific points in the body to promote balance and relieve symptoms. Many allergy sufferers swear by it. Lastly, we have remedy number 5, local honey. It's not just a sweet treat, but also a natural allergy fighter. Consuming local honey can help your body develop immunity to the local pollen, reducing your allergy symptoms over time. Just make sure to choose honey produced in your area. There you have it, 5 surprising and natural allergy remedies that could change your life. Give them a try and say goodbye to those annoying symptoms. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and remedies.